Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, open your glove box all the way. You'll see a small dampener arm on the right side. Gently detach it. Next, push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stop tabs. This allows the glove box to swing down completely, giving you access to the filter housing. It's a straightforward process. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin air filter lives. There are usually two small clips holding it in place. Simply unclip them. Once the clips are released, you can easily slide the old filter straight out. Take a moment to notice how dirty it might be. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Speaking of keeping things clean, why not upgrade your home's clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It has voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. When you have your new cabin air filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow needs to point in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring the arrow is oriented correctly. Then, simply reattach the housing cover and snap the two clips back into place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.